As the demand for new content increases, media organizations require systems that can adapt dynamically to demand and foster global collaboration. Running on AMP, Grass Valley's Framelight X is designed specifically to empower global collaboration. Framelight X manages content all from a single system, so that it can be easily shared between teams through the entire content creation process. Framelight X includes browser-based UIs that cover search, preview, logging, and editing, so users can work with content regardless of where they are or where the media is. Media organizations often build their production facility for peak demand, leaving a large amount of production capacity unused. With Framelight X's scalability, your resources are never unused, as you can now spin up or spin down resources with the click of a button. You also have complete flexibility when it comes to compute power. You can operate in the public cloud, on-premise, or in a private data center. No additional servers or installation are required. You only pay for what you use, when you use it. In summary, Grass Valley's Framelight X improves your content workflow by reducing media duplication, enabling global collaboration from a single system, reducing travel time and costs for a global workforce, allowing your system to scale to meet the variation in production demands throughout the year. Let us show you how Framelight X can work for you. Contact your Grass Valley representative today.